Hello everybody, this is Akanksha Singh and I'll be taking you through the entire series of maths and science. Hey class, today we're going to do motion and its types. Now motion is a topic we're going to study in subject science under physics. Now this is a topic that we're going to do in class 7th and 8th. Now motion. If I talk about motion, anybody who's moving is in motion, right? Anybody who's cycling is in motion. Anybody who's walking is in motion. Any pendulum who's oscillating is also in motion. Any person who's swimming is also in motion. So anything that is moving in respect to time, when you find at this particular time, you're saying that Ram was standing at a particular charaha, right? And after 5 minutes, he has reached some other charaha. Now that is motion. He is moving from one place to another place. So this is one example that I took. You can also talk like maybe 4 or 5 people are playing together, and at particular time they were playing at a garden, and another at after 5 minutes or 10 minutes they were playing in on the road, right? So this is motion. This is motion with respect to time. So the classic definition of motion has both movement along with the time. So let's see the definition and analyze the definition very carefully. Now motion is the change, right? So change in what? Change in position with respect to time. So motion is changing position with respect to time. So that is called as motion. So a moving body exhibits different types of motions, right? So I have to guess two types of motions. I would say straight, I mean linear motion, and circular motion, right? These are the two very commonly guessed motions, and we are going to study about them. So when I have to say, take 5 minutes. So take 5 minutes and think about the different examples of linear motion and circular motion. I'll give you 2 minutes to think. Okay, probably I think you would have thought some of the examples in your mind. Now I have examples of straight moving, like linear motion. Linear motion is when somebody walks in a straight line, or you can say some insect is crawling, again linear because he's moving straight, or ball rolling on the ground. This is another example of motion. Now let's move on to the types of motions. As we have discussed, we have linear and circular motions. Now moving to linear motion. This is the first topic. Now car moving on a straight line. Now this is really an example of a linear motion, because car always moves in a straight line, right? You do not make a car move zigzag, right? Bullet fired from gun. Now bullet, when you fire a bullet from a gun, even that shows a straight line motion. So such motions are called as linear motions. Linear motions are those motions in which there's a straight line motion exhibition of changing position from one place to another with respect to time. That is called as linear motion. So when you move a car, let me make a car. When a car moves on a straight line, only then you say it is in linear motion, right? Probably car would move circularly also, right? If the car is moving circularly, then it is not in the linear motion. When the car is moving straight on the road, only then you can say that it is a linear motion with respect to time, right? So when a body changes its position in the straight line with respect to time, that motion is called as linear motion, right? So I hope it is clear. Moving ahead to circular motion. Now, circular motion. Circular motions, the best example for circular motion is, all of us know that Earth revolves around Sun, right? That is the best example because Earth, when revolves around the Sun, it follows a circular path. Similarly, when you tie a stone with a thread and revolve, try to revolve this, it moves in a circular motion. That is also called as circular motion. So anything that moves in circular path and changes its position on the basis of, okay, changes its position on the basis of time, that is called circular motion, right? So circular motion will always follow a circular path, will change its position in the circular path with respect to time. So that is called as circular motion. And the example of the circular motion is shown here. Can you see this? The sun is here and the earth. So this is earth, as you can see, and earth is revolving around sun. Now, can you see the motion here? The earth is changing its position, right? But in the circular path with respect to time. Therefore, you can say earth revolves around sun. Earth does a circular motion around sun. So let me repeat the entire topic once again. So we have discussed what is motion. Now, what is motion? Motion is change of position with respect to time, right? So anything that is moving is in motion. Now you have to decide whether it is linear or circular. We say it is in linear motion when they follow, when the change is in the straight line, and when the change is in a circular path, we say that the um, body is circularly moving, right? So let's come up to the end part. Now this is a homework. Now I'll give you 5 minutes to think about the answers of these questions, and then let me know here itself. Okay, then think about the answer in your mind, and I will let you know the answer here itself, right? So crawling snake is an example of, is the first question. Planets revolving around it, around the sun. Okay, I think I have given enough time. Now, crawling snake is an example of neither linear, neither circular motion, right? It is an example of motion. Planets revolving around the sun. Now, this is a circular motion, right? So, I hope you guys have understood the answers. In case of any doubt, you can put in the comment box and let me know. Please don't forget to share my video and like my video. Thank you so much for giving your precious time.